Hey everyone, it's Mona here at Craft Clutch, and today we're going to do some little resin heart charms. A friend sent me these little silicone cupcake hearts, and I am going to use them to make charms. And I don't know if you can see it, but it has a little recessed area. So I'm going to try to make charms out of them for Valentine's Day. So I have some resin mixed, and I'm going to split it into 3 different cups. I'm going to make 2 of them with a pink background, and I have this chunky pink glitter. I got that mixed in, and I'm going to put that in 2 of these hearts. And these hearts are pretty small, so a little really kind of does go a long way. And in the next one, I'm going to put red, a fine red glitter. And the last one, I'm going to do some gold micro beads. Then I'm going to take my lighter, pop the bubbles, and let them sit a minimum of 12 hours. We have our little heart charms, and now we can pop them out. And here's the pale pink. And then here's the one with the gold micro beads, and it actually separated, so there's really only the micro beads on the top. So you could always add more micro beads if you were to do this, or this kind of is a neat look. And then here is the gold glitter one. So now what we get to do is do a little bit of filling. So I need to mix a little more resin, and I really won't need much. We have our hearts. Now I'm going to take a little resin and separate it into 3 cups. And if you're wondering why, and I'm going to do the 2 pink ones the same because I have a couple little girls that might really enjoy them. And I have these left over from something else. They're these little glitter hearts. I'm going to add those to one of the cups, and I'm going to stir them in. And then I'm going to drip them right into the middle of these other hearts. Then I'll take my lighter, pop the bubbles quick, and let those sit a minimum of 12 hours. Now I have this little bit of pink glitter, and I'm going to mix that in with a little bit of resin. And then I'm going to drip that onto the gold heart, because I thought gold and pink would look nice together. And I'm going to carefully try to move it around. And then I'm going to just move this around to the edge with a skewer stick, because I can get a little more detailed. A little bit more where I want it to go. Then I'll take my lighter, pop the bubbles. The next one, I'm going to take these blue micro beads. And I thought the blue would look nice with the red. And I'm going to drip that right into the middle here. And I'll take the stir stick, move it around. Then we're going to let this all sit for a minimum of 12 hours. These have all cured, and they are cute as can be. Here are the 2 pink ones with the heart centers. There's front, there's the back. There's a little bit of a ridge there. If it was going to be uncomfortable or anything, you could take a little file and file that down. And then here's the gold one with the pink. And then here is the red glitter with the blue. Now we need to add some eye screws to them, and that's so they can be used as little pendants, or you can make a keychain out of them. So I have a variety. I think I'll use a silver with the pink ones, and then I'll use a gold with the gold, and this little aged one with the red. I have a little drill bit attached to my Dremel, and I'm just going to drill a little hole into here. And you just screw them in, and they're nice and tight. You can add a dab of glue if you thought you wanted to, and then there it is. And now you can add a cord to it, and you can have a little charm or a pendant. And here are the other ones with their eye screws on there too. You could use a leather cord, a fabric cord, a ribbon would be nice, a thin ribbon. Or again, you can turn it into a keychain. I hope you like the heart charms, and I hope you give them a try. Remember to try different things and see how the combinations go together. These were kind of fun, and I will definitely see you next time. Remember, life is too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter. Stay safe. Bye, guys.